Alright, scrappers. Today I have this. This is it's almost like a salamander, like a garage heater thing. I think that's what it is. When I saw this, my friend dropped this off for me to scrap. He does a little bit of scrapping. He just cut the cord off. I was a little excited. I was thinking, oh, that's cool. I'll just put a new cord on it and maybe it works and I can fix it. But listen. Yeah, this poor little guy's retired. But these are pretty nice. I've actually seen these work. You can, you know, have it blowing on your feet while you're in the garage or something, or have it underneath your desk. But too bad I got to scrap it. What do we got for screws? These are going to have to come off. I bet that's just prise up. Yeah, there's a screw, just like I thought. These are going to have to come off. It's nice. I've scrapped so many things. I just know what to, instantly know what to look for. It's pretty big. I see some brass there. There you go. Nice little piece of tin. That's only 10. And that can stay on for extra weight. Oh no! Those are the tamper resistant ones. I don't have those. I think this will work. Right? Tamper resistant. Ha! I'll get into it. Yeah, those are nice tamper resistant screws. Just a regular Torx took them out. I don't know if you guys got a good look at them or not, but these are those screws. They got the little wiener in the center. Makes them harder to take apart, or, you know, makes it so you can't take them apart. Oh yeah, look at the nice cowl in that. I bet this was a pretty nice heater. So far I got some tin. What is this, plastic? Plastic. More tin. Yeah, there's the problem. The whole fan housing broke. Would have been nice to have, but oh, look at all that. I'll be getting all that out. That goes through there. The rest of this is just plastic. This weighs nothing. Oh yeah. Take a Phillips out with a Torx. That's awesome. Any more Torxes before I put this away? Oh. That was funny. Oh, we got some relays. Where's the tip switch? Bet that's it right there. Yeah, that's it right there. Tip switches are nice to have. I'm gonna save this. This is even a good one because it's got a potentiometer on it. Oh, that's all it does? That's cheesy. Well, that's 10. Just want to get out some of these screws because screws are 8 cents a pound. I'm going to save those two. I might need those for something else. Add those to my hoard. I should have just left those on. What else we got? Piece of tin. ground wire. Yeah, good enough. Good enough. Now I'm going to try to pull this through. There we go. Not cutting, I'm pulling. See? I don't waste any copper. More tin. Some plastic. That's a nice looking heating element. That's probably stainless. I'll throw that in my stainless bucket. What do we have here? I'm gonna leave these. Oh, I broke it. Alright, what do we have here? Look at all these nice heating element plugs. Piece of 400 grade stainless, I'm guessing. And there's one more piece of tin in here I want. Screws. People think I'm crazy. It all adds up. Alright, how does that heating element come out now? Flathead. I know how it comes out. The fun way. Oh, that looks like it's aluminum. That's aluminum. Definitely. So, I still need my piece of sheet metal here. Piece of expanded sheet metal. That was pretty good. Easy couple minutes worth of work for a couple bucks. Am I bleeding? Nope. Well, they're gonna keep this in a minute. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave that right on there. I'm getting 10 price for that. That's what I'm gonna do. Plastic and plastic. Now I got my motor. How does this all come apart? No, it comes the commuter. Nope. A nice bushing in there. I bet that's brass. That's tin. Look at that. That's a nice little jackpot. That's cast aluminum. Just like that. I'm not going to pick anything else out of it. So we get the cutters. I'll get the sharp ones out this time. Cut right through. Cut right through. It's one thing good about scrapping. It gives you strong hands. Can I pry this out? Let me get it from this side then. And a whole bunch of number 2 copper. Look at that. Now, it looks bright and shiny, but it's got the varnishing on it, which makes it number 2. The scrap yards can recognize it, that it's got, it's obviously was cut out of a motor. They're not going to believe that you cut that much insulated wire and strip that much insulated wire. They're just going to look at it and say, yeah, that came out of a motor. We have some number 2 copper. Some more tin. Another little piece. Every little piece counts. Alright, so that's pretty good, guys. Got some, is this, that's probably just tin. Got some, I'm not even going to call this tin, this whole fan and everything. Got some tin for the tin pail. Alright, with the gadgets on it and everything. The number 2 insulated, just like that. Old dirty sheet aluminum. It's probably actually copper thermal pyro. Nah, looks like aluminum. It's lightweight. Some aluminum, and looks like I got a whole bunch of screws here. People think I'm crazy, but this stuff adds up. Some number 2 copper and some cast aluminum. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you have to do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.